Several Palestinians have been killed and injured at dawn after Israeli occupation forces bombed several areas in the Gaza Strip. Palestinian media reported that the occupation forces raided Deir al-Balah and al-Burij camp, killing at least 3 and injuring several others. Fires from the occupation army also caused severe damage to about 15 tents in the al-Burij camp. According to a report issued by the governor of Salfit, the Israeli forces have carried out 321 violations across towns and villages in Salfit Governorate and the West Bank over the past month. The report reveals significant damage to ancient olive trees, with 270 uprooted or destroyed in Deir Estia and Yasuf. It also documents 125 Israeli military raids in Salfit, including 18 home ransackings and the detention of 21 Palestinians. Additionally, 51 attacks by colonists and Israeli forces were reported, including 18 incidents of equipment theft and property confiscation, with 6 properties destroyed. Israeli occupation forces have detained at least 22 Palestinians from various parts of the West Bank. According to the Palestinian Authority's Commission for Detainees and Ex-Detainee Affairs and the Palestinian Prisoner Society, the detentions took place in the governorates of Qalqilia, Tubas, Bethlehem, Ramallah, Hebron and Nablus. The raids were accompanied by assaults, threats against the detainees and their families, as well as widespread destruction and vandalism of homes. China's permanent representative to the UN, Fu Kong, has urged the Security Council to move beyond empty slogans and take concrete actions, prioritizing a ceasefire to protect women's rights and interests in Gaza. Fu highlighted that over 600 million women and girls worldwide are suffering from wars, particularly in Gaza, where the ongoing conflict has caused over 44,000 Palestinian deaths, 70% of whom are women and children. An Israeli court has ordered Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to take the stand next week in his long-running corruption trial, thus ending a long series of delays. Netanyahu's lawyers had filed multiple requests to put off the testimony, arguing that the war in Gaza prevented him from properly preparing for his testimony. However, Israeli media said that his testimony in the trial, which began in 2020, is expected to begin on December 10th and to last at least several weeks. The Director General of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom, has stated that the World Health Organization has evacuated an additional 11 children in need of cancer treatment from Gaza to Jordan, along with 20 companions. In a post on his X account, he said that thousands of patients across Gaza still need medical evacuations for life-saving medical care. He said that the World Health Organization has urged for all corridors to be utilized for the safe transfer of patients outside of the Gaza Strip. Palestinian and international doctors have called for the evacuation of 25,000 wounded and sick people from the Gaza Strip to hospitals in East Jerusalem. The doctor said it was estimated that 25,000 people in Gaza needed life-saving medical care due to their critical conditions. They outlined 3 actions to address the crisis. First, to establish safe medical evacuation corridors to hospitals in the West Bank, East Jerusalem, or abroad. Second, to prevent family separation during treatment. And third, to ensure evacuated Palestinians can return to Gaza after care without choosing between their health and their homeland.